Hi, my name is Valerie. Welcome to this new video on the WordPress channel. With this tutorial, we continue our series on full site editing. Today, we'll cover a feature available in WordPress since the 6.2 version. To be more exact, I'm going to show you how to create such a sticky header as you see right now on the screen in less than a minute without extra plugins and with no coding skills, only using your block theme. If this is what you're looking for, let's jump in. When visitors browse your website, you want to provide them with easy and quick access to your content, right? Sticky headers, or we can call them persistent headers, are a common pattern for keeping a website header in the same place on the screen while the user scrolls down the page. When done accordingly, sticky headers allow users to quickly access the navigation, search, and utility navigation elements without scrolling up to the top of the page. As a result, sticky headers can greatly enhance the website user experience, entice visitors to consume more content, improve your user engagement, and ultimately bounce rates. In this lesson, I'm going to be using WordPress version 6.4 and Prime by WordPress. It's a free WordPress FSC starter theme for making first-class business portfolios. Block themes are the modern method of building WordPress themes, and they are built entirely out of blocks. Every part of your page is adjustable and movable, including non-content elements such as headers, footers, sidebars, logos, menus, and titles. Blog-based headers have many advantages, and one of those is that you can customize your header in many ways that were impossible before. For example, you can make your header sticky. To do so, first we want to open the site editor by going to Appearance, Editor in your admin menu, and wait for the main screen to load. Choose the template you want to edit and click on the page preview to open the editor. As a first step, we are going to add a new group block. Select the group variation. Go for gathering blocks in a container option. Move the block at the top. Using the list view is helpful when it comes to navigating between layers of content. So I strongly recommend you to use this tool. Next, we want to select and drag the header template part inside the new group block. Great. After that, we need to make the header full width. Next, select the group block and open the position panel. A new position block support adds a sticky position so that a block remains within the viewpoint and is stuck to the top of the page when the content is scrolled instead of scrolling with the rest of the content. So, a block can now be decoupled from the page layout. Now that we've chosen the sticky option, we should select the Styles panel in the block settings sidebar and add a background color to the group. When choosing a background color for a sticky header, consider whether there is enough visual distinction between the header and content everywhere on the page. It's important, as the header will appear on top of every point on the page. It must have adequate visual contrast with the background to be noticeable, readable, and differentiated from the content that it is hovering over. Also, be careful in case you have any expanded submenus or drop downs. They should be separated from the background as well. That's all. After saving changes, don't forget to update every template where you want the sticky header. Of course, you can customize your header further. For example, you can style the group by adding a bottom border to make the title more visible. It's up to you. So, to wrap things up, for a long time, the header layout was the least customizable part of a WordPress theme. But full site editing has revolutionized this process. Sticky position block support was added and enabled on the group block, and now you know how to set up a sticky header menu on your website without extra tools. The only thing that you should keep in mind is that the sticky header must be an opaque color, different from the background of the main content area. Without this, the site header text will overlap, making it difficult to read. If you still have any questions, please write them in the comment section below. Don't forget to put that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our videos. Also, check out the show notes below for some useful links. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.